Marky, pwede ba talaga yumaman sa real estate? Yes, pero hindi siya instant kasi real estate is not a magic shortcut na yaman ka overnight. But here's what it can do for you. Protect your money from inflation, grow your asset over time, create passive rental income, and give you leverage to buy bigger opportunities later on. That's why maraming mayayaman, they don't just save money, they buy properties because property is not just expense, it can become an income source, appreciating asset, or even pamana for your next generation. And honestly, maraming tao, dekada nang nagtatrabaho pero hanggang ngayon, walang naiipong assets. While others, unti-unti lang bumili ng property. Then suddenly, years later, ang laki na ng network nila. That's the difference between just earning money and building wealth. Message just call to download my free ebook about Philippine Real Estate Investment Guide.